What's the meaning of crony? Crony. Crony.
Crony. Crony. The term crony refers to a close friend or associate of a person in power, typically one who receives special treatment or benefits as a result of their relationship. This type of relationship can lead to corruption, as the crony may receive preferential treatment over others who are more qualified or deserving. The term is often used in a negative context, implying that the crony has gained their position through nepotism or other unfair advantages. Overall, the term crony suggests a close and possibly unethical relationship between two people, with one benefiting at the expense of others.